Hello my lovelies, I am back again with another delicious video. Today we're going to be making Chimol Salvadoreño, so come along. First we're going to start off by dicing up 4 big tomatoes and chopping up a handful of culantro or cilantro. Next we're going to dice up 1 big onion or a few little ones. You could also use red, white, or yellow to give it a nice color. And then we're going to follow up by dicing 3 to 4 red radishes. We're going to toss everything in a bowl and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Next we're going to add in the juice of 2 lemons or 2 limes. Last but not least, we're going to give it a few dashes of hot sauce. If you don't really like hot sauce, you can omit it, but it does give it a nice kick. And for our final step, we're going to mix everything together, making sure that we really incorporate all the juices of the lemons or limes together with the cilantro, the delicious tomato, the onions, and also the radishes. This tastes better when you let it sit for a while, so you could do this earlier during the day and then have it later on. So you could just refrigerate it for a few hours. And voila, we have our delicious Chimol Salvadoreño. We could have this with tacos, we could have this with carne asada when we're grilling some beef, some pork. It's just a delicious and refreshing side dish. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye bye!